Hi everyone, I just want to show you where on the project website you can locate the daily targets. We were talking about how to backward plan your time management and set goals each day. This has actually been suggested for you. So here we are on the project website homepage. If we look at the schedule, today's day 3. Each day there are milestones. So you can go back to day 1 and day 2 and see which milestones you have yet to complete. And you can see there are milestones for your individual portfolio and for your group portfolio. So let's go back and take a look at day 2. The one thing that you're going to notice is with the design, complete your planning drawings. We didn't have time to do all of that yesterday, so don't fret. As you're planning your day and you've got, somebody in your team cutting and somebody else in your team gluing, not everybody can do those activities all at once. So you can divide that out, who's going to take turns doing those sorts of activities. And when you're not the one doing that, you can be going back to your individual portfolio and building on. One thing to consider, the team portfolio is organized by day. That's another great way to help you organize your time. Use it to break out what needs to be accomplished each day and match that to these milestones that are printed here on the website. The other thing that you can do is notice that although the team portfolio is organized by time, do this on day 1 and this on day 2, your individual portfolio is organized by subject. This stuff is math and this stuff is design and this stuff is science. It's telling the same story but in a bit of a different order. So you don't need to work through your individual portfolio from slide 1 through numerical order to the end. It's probably more the matter of bouncing around and filling in the parts of the individual portfolio that match the work that you're doing, knowing that at the end of the week you will have all of the parts finished. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask any one of the teachers. Thanks.